Hey guys, it's Nicole from Net Worth, and today I'm going to show you how to hack the heck out of Canva. So today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful social feed post mockup. So if you're ready to hack the heck out of Canva, then subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is the final project here, and so we are going to try and emulate this. Here are all the pieces, and you can kind of just grab any model that you want, and I just have some extra pieces here, but you don't have to lay it out. If you like to lay it out, then do. All right, we're going to take this model and go to step 1, remove the background from the model. Here's my blank canvas here. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Kind of going to size it up the way I want to here. Real easy, background remover, apply. So I'm going to move this down and go into step 2. I'm going to align the model above and below, then splice into parts. So I'm going to go ahead and take this little mock-up here, and then how to do this mock-up, right? Okay. Real simple. If you just, I'm going to lock this one here, ungroup this one. These are literally everything is in pieces here. So I'm using Open Sans. It's just text here, the icons, message icon. Again, this is free for Canva Pro. A lot of these are pro features because they're very specific to Facebook. It looks exactly like it, but I'm sure you can find free ones as well. It may look a little different, not up to par all the way, but they're there. Again, this one is Facebook SEO single element. This one is Facebook icon, stuff like that. So I just align every single little thing, even down to the online green button there. Cool beans. I just wanted to show you how I did that. I'm going to group that back together. If you do not want to do this on your own, I totally get it. I actually do have Facebook and IG social feed mockups. I'm showing you here, as well as the single post templates for Facebook and IG. That is available on my Etsy. It also will be available on Template King when we open up, but you can get it on Etsy right now for a very low price. Again, link in description, so check it out. All right, so beyond that, I'm gonna go ahead and align this how I want it. Maybe right here. And now when I say to splice it in parts, generally you will have top and bottom, and that's really it. But I noticed that I was going to need this piece here because I wanted the shadowing to really show up above this feed here, right? So again, as you see, I'm hovering over it, and they're actually in 3 different parts. Makes it so much easier. So in order to accomplish that, I am just going to, let me unlock this first. I'm going to, you can Control C, Control V to duplicate, or you can hold down Alt and drag. And so now I have another lady, another lady. Make sure to line it up. Okay, all lined up here, position, center, middle, great. All right, now I'm gonna take one of these, bring it all the way up until it kind of clicks into place. And then this one, bring that down. It's going to click into place as well. We're going to move it over because we don't need that much. And then this one here now, we only need up to about right there because that's the bandage. And I'm going to move that to the front all the way. Okay, so now let's see. Step 3, add shadow. I'm going to move this down just so we can keep up. So you're going to edit image, go to shadows. If it's not up here from recently used, you'll see it down here, drop shadow. I just click once, but you can edit the offset, angle, transparency, blur, all that good stuff. Whoopsies. And then I'm going to do the same to all the others. Okay, perfect. Almost perfect. I'm gonna just zoom in here. And again, I am a perfectionist, so I'm just gonna move that up just a little bit. Just so that it kind of flows a little better. Okay, and that's really half the battle. So easy, so easy, you can do it. But now, the last thing is, dun da da da, glam it up with whatever you want. Wording, call to action, shapes, you know, animations. You can do whatever you want. So this is just me fast forwarding the whole thing of me finishing the customizations and everything. So you can kind of follow along. I had to speed it up because look, I'll talk all day. So fast forward to the end if you need to. Va-va-voom! Booyah! It's done. And that is how you do it. Let's see how close we got it. Kind of close, kind of close. Oh, actually, that's pretty close. All right. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment down below. If you need any special requests, like if you want me to do something like this for you, for your brand, do message me. I am always available to do so. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned how to hack the heck out of Canva.